How to fix something went wrong error in Dice Dreams. So if you want to fix something went wrong error in your Dice Dreams, then what you need to do is first you just need simply tap and hold on to that Dice Dream application and tap on the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache and also the clear storage. And once you've done with clear cache and clear storage, you need to go back and make sure that your app is up to date. So go with your Play Store and tap on search, and here you need to search for Dice Dreams and tap on update if you have any update here for the application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the other thing you need to do is just simply uninstall the application and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and try to play the game, and your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go and restart your device, press and hold on to that power button and restart or reboot, and after that your problem will be fixed. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix something went wrong error in your Dice Dreams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.